Hello students, today I'll tell you some of the concepts of multiplication, division, and first of all I'll explain you reciprocal. Reciprocal of any number. Reciprocal actually it is the multiplicative inverse of a number. Multiplicative inverse means reverse, ulta. Like suppose it is 8. So the reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. Why it is called multiplicative inverse? Whenever a number and its reciprocal is multiplied, the answer is always 1, because we can cut 8 by 8 here. 8 ones are 8, 1 ones are 1. So that's why it is called the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 8 is 8, and 8 is 1 by 8. Now let us find reciprocal of 3 2 by 5. Now because this is mixed number, so let us convert this mixed number into improper fraction. 5 3 is 15 into 17 by 5. So reciprocal of 3 2 by 5, 17 by 5 is 5 by 7. Now why I have told you this concept of reciprocal? Because it will help you in division. How it will help you in division? Like suppose you are given divide 5 3 by 4 by 9. So 5 3 by 4 divided by 9. 5 4s are 20. It is 23 upon 4 divided by 9 upon 1. Now here we can't divide it directly. We have to convert division into multiplication, and this number or this fraction will be reciprocal. Now you see, can we cut any number in the numerator and denominator? No. So the answer will be 23 ones are 23 and 9 fours are 36. So this is how it can help us in division. Now I'll tell you the concepts of multiplication and division. Means how you will come to know that whether we have to divide in any given problem sum or multiply. Suppose when we need to find more, remember, to find more you have to multiply. Always remember, to find more you have to multiply. To find less you have to divide. You can note down this in your notebooks by highlighting it. Now I'll tell you by an example. Suppose the cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 62 1 by 2, and we have to find the cost of 7 liters milk. So the cost of 7 liter milk will be 62 1 by 2 multiplied by 7. Why we have multiplied? Because we have to find more, ज़्यादा, and ज़्यादा more will be always by multiplicative, वो increase होगा, that will be increase. 2 to the 4, 124 will be 124 plus 1, 125 upon 2, and 7 by 2. So 7 5s are 35. 3, 7 2s are 14 and 3 17. 7 1s are 7 and 1 8 upon 2. The answer will be in rupees. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 1 15. 2 3s are 2 7s are 14. 1 is left. 2 5s are 10. So what is our answer here? Our answer is rupees 437.5. Now let's take one example of division. Suppose we are given the cost of 10 meter cloth is rupee 452 by 5. Find the cost of 1 meter cloth. Now you see, you are given more, you have to find less. So to find less, we need to divide. So what will we write? In solution, cost of 10 meter cloth equals to rupees 452 by 5. So the cost of 1 meter cloth equals to 452 by 5 divided by 10. We need to convert this into mixed improper fraction. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 2, 22. So 2250 plus 2, 2252 upon 5, and this multiplication will be converted into, this division will be converted into multiplication and it will become reciprocal. Now you see, if we can cut this number, it can be cut by 5 2's table. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it is 1121 upon 25. Now we need to divide 1121 by 25. 25 4s are 100, 121. 25 4s are 100, 21. You can put decimal here. 25 8s are 200, 100, then 25 4s are 100. So our answer will be 44.84, means rupees 44.84. So this is cost of 1 meter clothes. I hope you understand this concept. It will help you in solving all the problem sums. So first of all, I will tell you how you will know that we have to multiply or divide. Suppose you are given cost of one thing. You are given cost of one thing. You have to find cost of more things. Then you have to multiply. Means if we are given 1, to find more we multiply. So our concept is to find more we multiply. For example, the cost of 1 liter of petrol is rupees 65, 3 by 4. Find the cost of 36 liters of petrol. So what we are given? We are given cost of 1 liter and we have to find the cost of 36 liters. Means we have to find more. So what will we do? We will write the cost of 36 liters of petrol equals to, this is our solution, equals to 65 3 by 4 multiply by 36. 65 fours are, let us multiply 65 by 4. 260 plus 3, 263 upon 4. So 36 means 36 upon 1. 4 nines are 36. So 263 multiplied by 9. 9 threes are 27. 2, 9 6 are 54. 56, 5. 9 2s are 18 and 5. So cost is rupees 2365. So the cost of 36 liter of petrol. So our answer is rupees 2367. So this was the concept of multiplication. Now the concept of division. How you will come to know this? We have to divide. When we are told to find less, to find the value of less, means less items, we divide. This become the concept. For example, we are given the cost of 54 meter cloth. Cost of 54 meter cloth is rupees 541 by 2, and we have to find cost of 1 meter cloth. So cost of 1 meter cloth equals to 541 by 2 divided by 54. So 542s are 1080, 1081 upon 2. So this 54 will become 1 upon 54. So it will be 1081 upon 108. So we will divide it, and by dividing you will get rupees 108 tens are 1080 rupees 10. 1 upon it is 8. So I hope you understand both the concepts. It will help you in doing all the problem sum. One more, when you people are given the product of any number, if you are given product of any two numbers and you have to find one of the numbers. You have to find one of the numbers. Then always divide the product by the number. What you have to do? You have to divide product by one of the numbers. Suppose product of two numbers is 5 7 by 10. One of the numbers is say it is 3 1 by 6. So the other number will be 5 7 by 10 divided by 3 1 by 6. So 5 7 by 10 divided by 3 1 by 6. 5 10s are 50. It is 57 by 10. Then so 57 upon 10 multiply 6 upon 19. Here 57 multiplied by 6 upon 10 multiplied by 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 threes are 57, 6 and 10 both are divisible, 2 is stable, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. So the answer is 9 by 5. So our answer is 9 by 5. So I hope all the concepts are clear. You are able to do your exercise.